It's 2035. You turn on your tap. Nothing comes out. No water to drink. No water to grow food. No water to survive. Cities are collapsing. Nations are fighting. And the most powerful weapon on Earth isn't oil. It's water. But here's the real question. Could humanity survive the water crisis of 2035? Water covers 70% of our planet. Yet less than 1% of it is drinkable. For decades, experts warned us. Climate change, population growth, pollution, overuse. We ignored the signs. By 2035, over half of the world's population could face severe water stress. And this isn't science fiction. It's already beginning. It begins slowly. Longer droughts, dry rivers, melting glaciers. Regions that depend on rivers like the Indus River and the Nile River start to struggle. Farmers can't grow crops. Food prices skyrocket. Millions migrate to cities. Governments start rationing water. First, it's temporary. Then it becomes permanent. By 2035, some megacities could have day zero, the day water simply runs out. We've already seen warnings in places like Cape Town, where reservoirs nearly dried up. Imagine that, but worldwide. When water disappears, tension rises. Countries that share rivers begin to clash. Dams become strategic weapons. Cyber attacks target water infrastructure. Water becomes more valuable than oil. Refugees flee drought zones, creating political instability. Experts have long warned about conflicts over shared resources. Organizations like United Nations have called water scarcity one of the biggest threats to global stability. By 2035, water wars might not be a metaphor. They could be reality. Imagine waking up in 2035. You're allowed 10 liters per day. That's for drinking, cooking, cleaning, everything. Showers? Gone. Green lawns? History. Meat production? Severely reduced. Companies build massive desalination plants. Water is recycled again and again. We rely heavily on technology, AI monitoring systems, smart water grids, atmospheric water generators. But here's the problem. Technology costs money. Poor countries suffer the most. The gap between rich and poor grows wider. Water becomes a luxury. So, could humanity survive? Yes, but not without change. We already have solutions. Desalination, rainwater harvesting, wastewater recycling, smart irrigation, sustainable farming. Countries investing early may adapt. Communities that conserve water today will survive tomorrow. The real question isn't, will we have enough water? It's, will we act before it's too late? Because water doesn't disappear overnight. It disappears slowly, silently, until one day, the tap runs dry. The water crisis of 2035 isn't destiny. It's a warning. Every drop we waste today is a drop we steal from tomorrow. The future of humanity might not depend on technology. It might depend on whether we learn to respect something as simple as water. If this video made you think, share it, because awareness is the first step to survival. Like and subscribe for more future scenarios about our world. And comment below, do you think humanity will adapt or collapse? The future is being written right now, and we are the authors.